Good morning everyone. Today is a very cloudy, gloomy, rainy day type week and I have a lot of work to catch up on. It's been unseasonably cold lately. It's the middle of July but it's about 17-18 degrees outside, whereas it has been up in the 30s, which has been too much for my fragile little body to handle. But currently it is quite cold, it's quite chilly, rainy, so I thought I would take you along on a rainy day in my life and see what I get up to. I have a lot of work to catch up on, mainly is what's going to happen today. I have some assignments to do and work for my part-time position to catch up on, and really I just want to snuggle up and sit in my bed for ages because it's that type of weather, but alas, I am an adult, so I can't do that. But yeah, let's get this day started. Beautiful red pimple that just started forming yesterday. We love having skin. I was in Berlin last weekend to see one of my friends and we actually ended up buying matching rings, which was super cute, and it makes me so happy every time I look at it. It's like, makes me think of her and the weekend, which makes me really happy. My little ring. I'm having a lot of thoughts at the moment just about the fact that my semester here is coming to an end and I'm moving home in 2 weeks. So I've been having a lot of thoughts and writing them down just really helps me. But now I'm gonna have breakfast and then do a bit of work, and eventually I'm gonna leave to go see a cat that I'm cat sitting this week, which this cat, y'all, she's so beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to film that because I haven't asked the cat owner for permission to put her cat on the internet, but rest assured she will bring me a lot of joy. I am currently on my way to catch a bus to go cat sit for a couple of hours. I'm watching someone's cat. I'm signed up to this website called Cat in a Flat, where basically you can hire people to watch your cat when you're gone, and I have a cat that I'm watching currently. She's adorable. Her name's Thea and she is the love of my life. 100% would recommend signing up to something like Cat in a Flat if you have a cat and you miss them when you live away from home. It's really, really helpful. Cats make me so happy. I'm very, very excited that I get to watch this little cute kitty. Headed into the old town to run some errands, including running to Miller to get some more yarn because I need to feed my crocheting addiction, which has blossomed up in the past couple of months, and I just can't stop crocheting. It's become a problem. Apparently I'm stress knitting granny squares now because I learned how to do that, and now I have like 9 of them and I can't stop. No idea where the sun came from. This was supposed to be a rainy day, but the sun disagreed apparently. Starting to feel like the turtleneck was a mistake, but we'll roll with it. It's just stopped raining, so it's actually quite nice outside, and I don't know if it's just me, but I really like that kind of like immediately after rain ambience, the freshness of the air. It's really nice. Currently headed to go eat a late lunch slash early dinner by myself at a restaurant. It's this lovely restaurant by the lake, and I'm very excited.